long spell, he has got Pakistan back into the game. And now it's up to Pakistan.
For some Ripoli, this will be a big day for him. At least he'll get some runs and he'll play in that sparkling style we're so used to. It's going to be interesting though, it's swinging a bit.
That's right, they couldn't do very much with the new ball, but the Kookaburra ball has been known to swing a lot more when it does get a little older, a little new. Of course, it's down from Australia, isn't it?
Yes, and this reverse swing is obviously something that the Pakistanis specialise in, and that one certainly, that ball that got drafted, certainly went in quite late, and if it's really full, it can take a bit of playing, and it'll be interesting now to see whether he keeps it right up to Sachin as well. He bowls him a couple that are right up there in the block hole.
Right then, the crowd will surely roar in anticipation as Sachin Tendulkar faces his first delivery from SHOAIB AKTHER. He's bowling from the other end, of course. He had a lot of problem bowling from the commentator box end, the south end as such. But here he is now, to the maestro himself. Oh, fantastic delivery, boom! That's amazing. Virtually the same delivery. Look straight to Tony. Fireworks here for SHOAIB AKTHER. He is delighted.
That is a very, very special moment in Test cricket. They've been waiting to see him all day, and this young man has produced the perfect delivery. The world's best player goes out to